If you're experiencing controller drift while playing Roblox, it can be frustrating. This guide will help you troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue. Step 1. Check controller settings. Ensure that your controller is properly configured in the settings of your gaming device. Go to the settings menu and look for controller options to verify that everything is set up correctly. Step 2. Clean the controller. Dirt and debris can cause issues with controller sensitivity. Use a soft cloth and some isopropyl alcohol to gently clean around the analog sticks and buttons to remove any buildup. Step 3. Update firmware. Make sure your controller's firmware is up to date. Check the manufacturer's website for any available updates and follow their instructions to install them. Step 4. Adjust dead zone settings. In Roblox, you can adjust the dead zone settings for your controller. Go to the game settings and find the controller options to increase the dead zone, which can help mitigate drift. Step 5. Test with another controller. If the problem persists, try using a different controller to see if the issue is with the original controller itself. If the new controller works without drift, it may be time to replace the original. By following these steps, you should be able to address controller drift issues in Roblox. If problems continue, consider reaching out to the controller manufacturer for further assistance.